sticks always had potential to be a lot of fun growing up, but the technology just wasn't good enough to let us do what we really wanted. Back in 1997, we set out to turn pogo sticks into a whole new sport. Our concept was based on the idea of having a portable trampoline, something you can jump 3, 6, or even 10 feet high on, but also take anywhere you want to go. The V4 is the portable trampoline we'd always dreamed of. With the V4, you have the ability to add or remove air and completely change the stiffness of the bounce. Someone who weighs 300 pounds can jump on the same exact V4 as someone who only weighs 80 pounds. All you need to do is change the air pressure. In less than a minute, you can perfectly tune the V4 to each rider's preferences, pumping more air in to jump higher and taking air out to jump lower. This makes sharing it with friends and family a fun-filled experience that everyone can enjoy. You can also collapse the V4 to make transportation a breeze. Whether you're a pro or just stepping onto the V4 for the very first time, you'll love the weightless, flight-like experience. You'll get the basics in minutes, and from that point on, there's no limit to how far you can challenge yourself. With the V4, you'll be able to jump up onto ledges, down stairs, and over gaps of all sizes while nailing down some pretty awesome tricks. After playing around on the V4, you'll never look at your surroundings in the same way again. Obstacles and features that are too high for bikes and skateboards are perfect for the V4. For those of you looking for a fun way to stay in shape, the V4 will work most of the muscle groups in your body and get your heart pounding immediately. It's a killer cardio workout, and the best part is that while you're having fun bouncing around, you won't even realize how quickly you build a sweat. In order to achieve superior build quality and maintain the high tolerances necessary for the V4 to work, we manufacture and assemble it right here in our Southern California shop. We work closely with our suppliers to become a part of the build process, and as each component is made, we're right there to test them. This streamlines our manufacturing and ensures that every V4 we make is up to our standards. If you're looking for the portable trampoline that we always dreamed of, the V4 is going to knock your socks off. Whether you want to use it simply for exercise or to jump 8 feet high and do crazy tricks on is up to you. And we know you'll love every second of it. Join us and help change the way pogo sticks are seen forever.
We have evolved alongside the honeybee in a symbiotic relationship. We care for them, they pollinate our crops, and of course, make lots of delicious honey. But getting the golden nectar has always been quite a task. I just thought it was crazy to have to crack the hive open, pull the hive apart, stress out all the bees, and spend all day in the shed just to get your honey. And I thought, there must be a better way. So my dad and I got to work.
And we've done it. Now you can simply turn a tap and pure fresh honey flows right out of your hive. Delicious, ready for you to eat.
No, it's amazing. It's amazing. It's honey on tap.
For those that don't know, harvesting your honey used to be a real labour of love. You had to protect yourself from stings, fire up a smoker to sedate the bees, crack the hive open, lift heavy boxes, pull out the frames trying not to squash bees, brush them off the combs or use a leaf blower, transport the frames to a processing shed, cut the wax capping off, filter the honey and clean up all the mess, then the frames have to go back to the hives again. Now you don't need to do any of that. Turn a tap, sit back and watch the honey pour out. It's pure, unprocessed, untouched, delicious honey directly from the hive. No mess, no fuss, no expensive equipment, and much more friendly for the bees. This is the first time in the world this has been possible. There is nothing else like it.
It really is a revolution. We can see into the hive, we can see when the honey's ready, and we can take it away in such a gentle way. What a wonderful thing.
The flow frames are designed with clear ends so you can easily check the hive is healthy and the colony is strong. You can watch all the girls.
Modern education in the US is changing rapidly. Tablets, laptops, and other devices are now a mainstream part of the American classroom. Each year, educators around the country work tirelessly to ensure that students are provided with a core curriculum that is up to date with the latest research and technology. With technology becoming more prevalent in and out of our nation's classrooms, there is a growing concern that students are gaining in knowledge, but losing in social skills.
Engagement is very important for our children to learn, and in the past decade, The mobile technology has developed so much that there are so many applications and interactive content available for our kids. They are not talking to each other. They're texting all day long, or at least at night when it's after school. When families go out for dinners, they turn to just look at their smartphones. I think conversation and communication and building confidence in our children to be able to communicate and collaborate, solving problems together, is a very much important part of education, in addition to knowledge and information.
Parents and teachers are finding that more and more they have to bargain for a child's attention, with devices even being created to intercept Wi-Fi signals in order to encourage social interaction. Technology companies have taken notice and are creating devices that are allowing students and teachers to engage in a more social environment, with shared experiences being the sole mission of their invention.
Accessibility of technology such as TouchJet would provide win-win solutions for the educators, the publishers who provide content to the schools, and our kids and families, to the children, because now they have an interactive environment that's bigger than just their handheld devices.
A lot of times when I see my daughter working on her iPad by herself, she kind of just goes in her room and does her thing. And sometimes, I'm hoping she's doing all the educational things that I want her to be doing. But she might get off task, and I know that, there's a lot of other technologies out there that aren't so educational. But when we do it in this way, I know exactly what she's doing. We're engaged as a family, and I think that's a very important role in education in general. It's just being more engaged and with your daughter or sons and really trying to see what they have to learn and learning it together.
When teachers are able to bring subjects to life on screen, a whole new world of possibility is achieved. The affordability of interactive teaching tools is changing the way future generations will foster collaboration with one another.
The access, I think, will bring education together across the ecosystem between the educators, the publishers, the students, and the parents.
A technology-powered learning.
Hello, my name is Colibri. I'm a connected toothbrush. Surprised? Well, wait until you see what I can do for you and your family. I'm here to make your smile brighter than ever. What if you could make toothbrushing a fun and productive experience for the whole family? What if you could get real-time, precise information that could improve your dental health day after day? I can show you in real time where to brush and for how long, step by step. Just follow my lead. I'll be your coach, and with me you'll never miss a spot. Toothbrushing every day is important for the health of your children, but most kids think it's boring. They don't have the motivation to brush, right? Hey Emily, ready to smash the high score? With the game Go Pirate, toothbrush time becomes a real fun adventure for your children. They stay focused throughout and brush their teeth better than ever. Yay! Mom, Dad, and kids, I record and store all of your individual brushing habits. I analyze your data to provide your personalized Colibri Index, the unique scale based on your regularity, your brushing time, and the quality of your brushing. Now you can challenge each other every day with points, levels, and collectible badges. Hello, family fun. Goodbye, tooth decay and cavities. You might call it intelligence at play. It's time to redefine the toothbrush and bring it to the next level. Join us in this brand new experience for your bathroom. Have fun, get connected, get healthy, get Colibri.
When I guitar, I won't stop on my feet. don't want it still, we gotta chase our dreams. Reach up and reach high, because we're gonna pull through and give it all we got, even though it can't seem hard to catch and make it happen. But we can't start sliding, come on, and do what you gotta do to fight on. And so no matter what comes your way, nothing can ruin your day or even wipe a smile away. And by the time I'm up and out of my